Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and today I want to tell you about these 10-inch KNIPEX Cobra pliers and why you might want to get yourself a pair. What I've used in the past is what are referred to as tongue and groove pliers. And while these are inexpensive and do a decent job, the KNIPEX pliers are on a totally different level. The first cool feature I've seen demonstrated by these pliers is their ability to lock in and stay in place even when you let go. First of all, the number of teeth means that you can get the pliers down to a very precise size. These use a push button to adjust the size that the pliers can handle. The other thing I liked and appreciated on these pliers is the number of teeth and also the shape of the head on the wrench. Also, the steel with parts of chromium and vanadium in it means that these teeth are not going to get worn down very easily, and they're going to last a long time. So if you're a professional who needs these type of pliers on a daily basis and need them to be reliable and accurate, or you're a do-it-yourselfer who wants a tool that's going to last many years, I think these KNIPEX 10-inch Cobra pliers are a great investment, and that's my point of view.